Hello amazing people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Ini Newness Okendo YouTube channel. This is where we get to learn a lot of great things. All right, so you're welcome. In today's video I want to show you how to make ugali, how to turn your maize flour into ugali, you know, that you can eat and enjoy a sweet meal with your family. So if you've been wondering how is this ugali made, or you've been trying to know how to make good ugali, then I hope this video will be that plug that you have been waiting for. All right, let's get started. So the first thing you need is definitely your maize flour. This flour is basically made of maize. Okay, you can take it to your posho mill and they'll just grind it for you, or you buy already grinded and processed one in the market. So you also need this wooden spoon, as well as your water. As you can see, my water is already boiling and it is ready to start making the ugali. Okay, so first of all, your water needs to be boiling, so put water on fire and let it boil. Get this wooden spoon, have your towel, you know, because the pot gets hot. Okay, of course. And then of course your maize flour, and the process will be done. So I'm going to take you step by step. I've not deleted nothing, everything as raw as it is. So follow me step by step and let's make this ugali together. All right, and please, I beg you, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not yet done so. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on that notification bell. Share the video and give me a like as well if you like what you've seen. Thank you. Let's get into it.